In our today's video, we will talk about how to set up front-end structure. Last video, we were in backend folder. Open terminal window, type command cd //frontend to change folder path. Now we are in front-end folder. If you are using Visual Studio code editor, then type command code space dot. It will bring up our front-end project folder in code editor. Our plan today is to use React.js to render our data, and we need a CSS framework to decorate our pages. Bootstrap is the most popular open source CSS framework. We will implement it for our front end. First, click Terminal menu on the top and select New Terminal. Type command npm I bootstrap. It will install Bootstrap node package. Some people may ask, can we use React Bootstrap node package instead of regular Bootstrap? It seems React Bootstrap has great advantages since it has already converted all HTML elements into React's components. However, for beginners, it will be quite cumbersome for them to work on React components rather than basic HTML elements. Occasionally, we use the open source Bootstrap templates. Those templates are built with the simple HTML tag. It's straightforward to employ into our project. Everything we do here is to make our tutorial more beginner-friendly. Later on, we can convert those simple HTML blocks into individual React components. We will show you how to do it in later chapters. Here is the Bootstrap template we will use in our page. It's from starbootstrap.com website. They offer a decent amount of open source Bootstrap templates. Check it out if you are interested. Next, let's download the shop template. It's a zipped file. Unzip it. Open the index.html file in text editor. Let's examine the HTML structure in the top head section. It has two CS style sheets. One is Bootstrap. The other one is a customized style sheet. Back to our code editor. In src folder, open app.js file. Remove the extra redundant code as following. Import the Bootstrap CSS on the top, following by app.css. Let's open the shop template index HTML file in the browser window. We can see the layout has navigation on the top, following by header. Main content section is below header. The footer is at the bottom. Go back to our code editor. Enter src folder. Let's create a new folder named Components and create a subfolder named Layout. Next, we will create 4 React components: navigation, header, content, and footer. Enter layout folder. Create a file named navigation.js. Type sfc and press tab key to create a stateless functional component. Here we name the function same as file name and then return a simple h1 HTML tag. Let's repeat the same steps for other 3 components. Open app.js file and import those 4 layout components. Now we have finished the basic mockup layout for our page. Later on, we will import the HTML codes into each component. Let's start our local development server by opening a terminal window. Type command npm start. It will open a new browser window. We will see our 4 components showing on the page. Now we have completed the basic layout setup for our front-end pages. Next video, we will talk about how to import the HTML codes into our React components.